The next winter wheat we have here is SY Monument. It is a hard red winter wheat. It is a on-leaded, or it's not completely beardless, but the awns are very short. Or well, I guess this is probably a medium on this one. Wouldn't you say, Dale? It's not huge like some of the ryes and stuff, but it is does have a beard. You know, we don't use wheat a lot as a spring grazed forage. That's where we prefer the triticale. As you can see, Dale, show them the difference there between the triticale and the wheat, the amount of forage that there is.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of people say, why should I spend money for rye or triticale? Wheat is cheap, it's available. I'll just plant wheat and plant it thick. I think you can see the reason that we try to steer people towards triticale or rye for a winter forage. It's just the difference in productivity between the two is really pretty amazing. And of course, triticale is a hybrid between rye and wheat. It's intermediate in most characteristics, but there is also a definite hybrid vigor that you get with triticale. We'll talk a little bit about triticale versus rye as we get to some of the other plots, but you can see you give up a lot when you just plant wheat.
And we did forage clippings on these plots yesterday, so when the guys get those dried down and weighed up, we'll be able to have a good comparison of tonnage here.
Yeah.
The other thing is that triticale and rye are going to have a much more extensive root system in the ground, making it a better cover crop, a better soil builder. So again, that's why we like it. But there's certain times when winter wheat has a fit, especially that Willow Creek if you're wanting late grazing.
And you do have the option of a grain harvest here.
Yep.
In case wheat prices ever get up to where they really need to be to make a profit, that's an option. One other drawback though of the wheat compared to the triticale or the rye is disease, and especially if you plant early. With especially our hard red winter wheats, it is very important not to plant too early or you just get ate up by disease. The triticales, the ryes, have much better tolerance of early planting to get that maximum forage production.
Yeah.